Hey, this is Elizabeth PW, and what I'd like to invite you to today is something called the drinking experiment. What this is a live stream class that I will be sharing with you on Thursday, February 10th, just checking the date, at 8 a.m. Pacific time. And what we're going to be doing at this live stream class is leading you through a process of how to look at a very particular area of your life and see where all these kind of defaults are applying to you, where what you're doing and what you choose is not things that you actually necessarily want or what really resonates with you, but what's been handed to you by your family, by society, by people you worked with, by loved ones, people you've lived with, not necessarily what you really want and what you really love and what's really your truth. Then we're going to be looking at that and pulling out what is your truth? What are the things that you really love? How do you figure that even out, especially if it's something that maybe you haven't even tried yet? And playing around with different tools and ideas to find the things that really are the natural expression of who you really are. And finally, now that you know what some of your truth is, what do you do about it? How do you change your life to actually bring this into your daily existence? What projects do you need to put in place? What specific things need to change? What's the first step that you need to take when you get off the call, when you get off this class? Now, this entire framework, why I'm sharing this with you is because this is the framework for the Live Your Truth adventure. What we'll be doing on the 3-day live event. I have one in April and one in July of 2011. These are very small events, just like 9 people. What we're doing at the event is going through this process over a period of 3 days and over like every aspect of your life. What we're doing here at this live free class is to look at one very, very specific area of your life, which is what you drink. Now you may say, how is this important? How is what I drink going to help me in my business or make more money or help my relationships or help me have a more amazing life? There's 2 reasons I'm looking at drinking. Number one, things like what you drink, what you eat, the exercise that you give, how you relax, how much sex you're having, what hobbies you have, how much fun you're having. These are all fundamental building blocks of having an amazing life. And if you're not living your truth with who you are and your daily existence of all these relatively mundane, everyday things, you're not going to be able to live your truth in your business. You're not going to be able to live your truth in your outside life if you're not living it in your inside life. The other reason I'm looking at drinking is because it's something that's relatively bite size. We can look at this in an hour and really go through the entire process and see what you could change and how to bring in what the liquids you consume, how to bring that into resonance with your truth and who you really are. And once you learn that process, you can apply that to all kinds of different areas of your life, both what you're drinking and what you're eating and all these kinds of relatively straightforward areas, as well as what you should be doing in your business, as well as your relationships, and all kinds of other things. So if you would like to join on this free live stream, all you have to do is put in your name and email right below, and I'll give you the information so you can be on that live video streaming call on Thursday, February 10th. I keep checking the date because I said it wrong in one of the recordings. Okay, you guys, and if you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me at elizabeth@elizabethpw.com. Otherwise, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.